Hey there, I am Max, and first of all, I really appreciate you tuning in for this product review. Now, before I get right into the review, I want to talk about the 4 amazing bonuses that you will get if you decide to grab this product through the link down below in the description. Bonus number 1 is Done For You Social, which is all about traffic generation through social media, and the best part here is that we have actually done all the work for you. So we give you all the content ready to post, ready to go, and you just really need to sit down, click that upload button, and you will be ready to go on social media. Bonus number 2 is yet another award-winning program called AI Prodigy, in which we teach you how you can generate laser-targeted traffic by having artificial intelligence run a highly profitable YouTube channel for you. This is completely hands-off, and you will get full access if you buy through the link down below in the description. With our bonus number 3, Cash Prodigy, we show you multiple ways of how you can make money online simply using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is huge and it's transforming people's lives, and with this product you will be able to crush it online. Last but not least, with bonus number 4, I will give you full access to Fiverr Rocket, which is an award-winning product that teaches you how to build your next online income stream by selling high-in-demand services to clients without you having to have any skills yourself. These 4 products are everything you need to build a successful, sustainable online business and make a lot of money online. And these products are separately valued at hundreds of dollars each, and they're still making daily sales. And if you grab access to this program using the link down below in the description, then I will give you access to all these products on top of your purchase, and they will all be delivered conveniently inside of either your Warrior Plus, JV Zoo or ClickBank account. I also want to extend on an exclusive offer. If you want to elevate your online income, I have an exclusive membership opportunity for you. If you want to make it to $10,000 a month with the help and guidance of 3 super affiliates, then there is going to be yet another link down below in the description that gives you access to a free live training session with us. Now make sure not to forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into the review.
I'm excited to bring you RankBamboo. RankBamboo is an answer engine optimization platform. It does not just stop there, it also handles your regular website optimization and, of course, website update and your report. The interesting thing about RankBamboo is that RankBamboo does not just give you suggestions or what you need to do recommendations. It does the fixes directly for you on your connected website. This is how it looks like. Whatever things, whatever recommendation I need to implement to get my website on the listing of any of the AI models or on #1 search engine page, I need to get my website connected, and on a click, I can apply the fixes, the recommendations that you can see right here from our AI optimization hub. Now, again, I can also pick any of the optimization suggestions here and click on auto optimize, and it gets all the fixes done for me without any heavy lifting. So that's really how powerful RankBamboo is. I would want to quickly take you on a journey of RankBamboo. Right, Bamboo's dashboard, you could see we have a quick analytics that gives you a breakdown on how your brand or your website is performing across ChatGPT, Clouded, Gemini, Perplexity, meaning with RankBamboo, you can be seen across several AI models. Now, this is exactly what this means. For the brand Fashion Nova, you could see on ChatGPT is making over 84%, and on Cloud is 69%, Gemini 60%. This is what this really translates to on our day-to-day activity. I can come over to ChatGPT. You can notice the brand here is Fashion Nova. I can come over to ChatGPT and say to ChatGPT, tell me more about Fashion Nova. And immediately, ChatGPT has something to tell me about Fashion Nova is a US-based fashion retailer known for its trendy, affordable clothing. It's based in Los Angeles. Now, the big question is, can ChatGPT or any of the AI models say this about your brand, about your website? So that's exactly where Rank Bamboo comes into play here. Rank Bamboo allows you to quickly get your website, your brand, listed across several AI models. And the truth is, if your business is not listed there, then you were left behind because over 35 to 50% of persons now are switching from the regular search engine searches for products or for services, now, going over to AI recommendations, which are usually conversational. They now depend on AI for recommendations on brands or products or services they need, and they make their comparisons to know which to go for. So that is where the RankBamboo platform comes into play because hundreds of millions, even billions of businesses out there are looking for service provider to help them position their business to be seen by AI models. And that's why you need an account with RankBamboo to allow you to quickly do all of this. There are several other tools out there that promises you a lot. But RankBamboo, I want to tell you, brought about all of the tools that search engine AIs are crawling, looking out for to get your website listed. And this is how the journey with RankBamboo starts. It all starts with we creating a project. So we together create a project and see how we got Fashion Nova listed and how you can get any other website listed and get the required results. Brand Bamboo starts with creating a new project. So over here, I want to call this Fashion Nova. And of course, the brand name remains Fashion Nova. Brand name remains Fashion Nova. And the website URL is fashionnova.com. The industry falls within the fashion apparel, so I'm going to look at for fashion apparel. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I can pick anyone, luxury or plus size fashion. I can pick any of those categories. It works. And my market region is United States. Again, I will just hit on create project. Rank Bamboo will get to work. It's going to automatically pick the entire prompts that AI are looking at for to make this a conversational flow with whoever visits any of the AI model, be it ChatGPT, be it Cloud, be it Perplexity or Gemini. And once it does that, we confirm that the selected keywords are within area of concern. If for any reason AI did not cover your area of concerns of keywords or key phrases, you can come over to edit again and pick that. So if I say confirm keywords, it gets into work, and of course it's going to generate the entire prompts we need. So we see at the breeze we've gotten over 18 prompts generated here for us. So all I need to do is scroll down and hit on run my first scan based on this entire 23 prompts, and each of these prompts I could go into edit it as well. Once in here, you could see save 23 prompts. All I need to do is to hit on run new scan, and it's going to scan the whole of Fashion Nova based on the selected prompts to check out for AI visibility, and it's going to give us report in that regards. Processing at the background, you see it will keep populating your results, giving you real-time results as per the feedbacks it's gotten based on the crawling search it has done with ChatGPT. You could see prompt still processing. When that is done, you can always switch to do the same scan on Cloudy, Gemini, Perplexity. So while that is processing, I could also pick Cloudy. So once I pick Cloudy, all I need to do will still pick on run new scan, but because this is still processing, will allow that to go on for a while until it completes. Once it completes and I'm on Cloudy, I could come over to say run new scan. It's going to get that done on Cloudy as well. So you can keep doing this across Gemini, Perplexity, and give it some time. And over time, Rank Bamboo is going to give you a full blown report consigning your AI visibility with your brand or your website, and then you can come over to our AI audit. On the AI audit, what it basically does, it allows you to check your website if it's LLM ready. And of course, we have LLM generator. LLM is all about that instruction that is seen on your website that you need to have on your website for large language models like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Perplexity, to quickly recognize your website, what your website does, where to find things, and try to give your website a good directory flow. So once any of the AI crawlers pick on your website, it makes it easier for them to quickly get it listed. So we'll put the same website here, which is the fashionover.com. So what we'll do here, we want to run an audit on it. We fashionover.com, all of this is fully fixed. It does have LMS, it does have robot text, it does have meta tags, it does have schema.org structured data. So clearly shows that fashionover.com is fully ready to be listed by AI. Again, I want to switch to another project which we just did some couple of hours ago, let's say less than 72 hours, when we start trying out RankBamboo, and you're going to see how interesting this is. And of course, you're going to see some of the gaps that RankBamboo has helped us to identify on the project. And in less than 48 hours, we did some few fixes already. ChatGPT, it's already recognizing it. So it really shows you how awesome RankBamboo is. So let me quickly switch the project. I want to switch this project over to 10x Rapid Growth. So you see what I'm talking about. This is going to refresh. So again, we want to try some AI audits and see what happens here. So it's 10x. Include the term. So we'll do the same thing, running an audit. So you see, LMM audit completed. Now what happens? We have only 3 of these done, and we are yet to fix the LMS part of this. But interestingly, we started working on this project. I want to go back to the dashboard so you see it again. You can see the dashboard for 10x rapid growth. This we started some couple of hours ago. This is barely 48 hours, 72 hours into this, where we applied some of these recommendations, and you can see ChatGPT is already seeing our page. It's already gaining 81%. And this is what it translates to. Right inside of ChatGPT, I said, tell me about 10x rapid growth. And you can see it picked it here. And this is straight from our link that it picked it from. So this tells you the magic that comes with RankBamboo. Now, going back to our AI audits, I'm just trying to show you the whole excitement that goes with using RankBamboo, how it's quite powerful, giving you results. Now, we are used to fix elements, text, and all of that. So what will happen here is I can come over here on my generator, rather. On my generator, I want to say generate elements text file for my project, and I'll hit on generate. Okay, great. So LMS text generated successfully. So with this, I can just get this copied or save it directly into my WordPress site. And once I add this up, I already have my LMS readiness text fixed, which allows my AI audits to also get the entire fixes required. You see, adding that, and of course checking back on the same 10x rapid growth, you could see we have LMS text fixed right now on the site, meaning our site is fully fixed and ready. We are of course checking to be sure that we are fixing all recommendations as required by the standard organization for getting your website or brand listed on AI models. Here on your AI visibility monitor, you could see all the data is gathered. You could see your top brands visibility. Just below the top here, you can see top brands. You have to read, you have Lane Bryant. It continues down to Pretty Little Things. You could also see their visibility performance to it's about 48% and all of that. These are your competitors, top brands within your industry that's coming to the fashion apparel industry. And of course, you could see the entire fashion prompt for which you are performing better than others. You could also see other brands, their mentions on AI as well. Now, if you toggle on what we have here, the prompt performance, you could see here, you could see your own brand performance. We have the your rank and of course visibility ranking. On this particular prompt as fashionable, we consider the top trendy dresses online brand in fashion. You could see this is over 1% of it there, and you can toggle on it and see the recommendations saying here is Fashion Nova top brand. You could see the detailed analysis shown here, and you could see the key findings: high brand recognition in trendy dress market, strong social media presence drives visibility, competes with boho, pretty lady things, and misguided. So if there are areas you are not meeting up with all of these other brands mentioned, these are the recommended brands, top brands within your industry. Now, right inside RankBamboo, it shows you what they're doing and it also gives you their performance activity. You can also study more about your competitors when you come over to Competitor Spy here. So on Competitor Spy, you already have details of your competitors already filled up here, but you could go ahead to say, okay, our top competitor is Turid. We want to add on Turid as a competitor, and your number two competitor is Lane Bryan. So let's have it there. I can also have Pretty Little Things has 9 mentions. Eloquid has 9. Boho has 13. So we've added all of these as our competitors. So what you do again is to come over here to say backfill metrics. So once you do that, this is going to take a few minutes, and we are going to get an in-depth analysis of how our competitors are doing and what we need to do differently. Right here, for our suggested competitors, if you scroll down, you have some more metrics you can work with. On the Boho, which is our number one competitor within the brand, you can come below here. You will see the overall performance has over share voice of 8.1% and over 6 mentions. Now, if you toggle over the keywords, you can also get to see the keywords which they are performing on. You could pick any of these keywords or your key phrases you may like, and you could add it up to become your key tracking keywords to see how the rankings for your project are also performing. And of course, you can also get to see the insights from this overall performance. You can hit on generate insight for RankBamboo to quickly give you a quick AI generated insight that gives you an analysis of your competitors' data and the recommendation. So let's give it some time and see what comes out. Great. So it says AI has analyzed your competitors and generated insights. So here's it. Says leverage share of voice for Turin and Lane Bryant. Says both Turin and Lane Bryant have the highest share of voice percentage of 16.4% and 14.9% respectively, indicating significant visibility in the market. So recommendation: conduct the content and backlink analysis on Turin and Lane Bryant to understand which pages and keywords are driving their high visibility. Focus on replicating and enhancing this content with unique value proposition. So this really makes it unique. Now, we could also see further recommendations here. So explore share of voice gap with LQ. So recommendation: identify Liquid's top performing content and keywords, craft targeted content that performs Liquids in terms of depth, quality, and freshness to capture audience attention. So it tells you what to do, what your competitor did differently, and how you could also hijack their system and get yours to do the same. And of course, you have to outrank them. So we also have the content generator, but of course, I will get over to the optimization hub so you better appreciate what RankBamboo did for you here using the content generator. So come over to the optimization hub. This is what happens. Now, RankBamboo takes all of the considerations, your competitors, and of course the opportunity you have to outperform your competitors and gives us a full-blown optimization recommendations here. So you could see trendy dresses, you could perform more available, low visibility, and of course you're already making 50% share here on optimization suggestions. You could also see some further suggestions on plus size fashion. These are some of the key phrases that performed well Now, coming over to trendy dresses online, the recommendation, the keyword trendy dresses online appears 0% of AI responses, but your brand is not mentioned. So optimize your content to get your brand included. So you can have your brand to mention on trendy dresses online, which is Fashion Nova, and it's going to say that. Now, this is AI recommendations. Says the key features to look for trendy dresses online include a range of lengths, breathable fabrics, stylish details, and versatile designs that can be dressed up down. The key findings, trendy styles include mini, midi, and popular fabrics. All of this done for you. And if you come down here, it already shows you your schema enhancements you need to have already. We have that for Fashion Nova. Now, this is what you also get to see. If you have a website connected, you can click and it quickly pushes that into your website. Let me quickly switch project to other projects we worked on so you see how this works. So here on this side here, you could see the recommendations given here. So once you have your website connected for schema markup, which is already done, all you need to do is apply to homepage and it's going to apply this schema. You could see it's updated successfully. So that's why when we did the AI audit for the 10x rapid growth, we already got that fixed. So again, you also have FAQ schema command questions. You could also apply this on a fix. On a click, it fixes all of that. So it asks you the target page you want to create an FAQ schema for. So I could say I want to create it for the home page. So you could get that applied and fixed. It says schema fix correctly. See, RankBamboo fixes your recommendations. It does not just give you recommendation and allow you to figure out everything yourself. It does the entire heavy lifting for you so you could see how this goes. So the same also applies when you come over, you check some other fixes you may need to apply right inside here, and it's going to get that done for you. You could run your further analysis. Then when you come over to topic gaps, on topic gaps, you can see articles which you could write about. I have an opportunity here for influencer marketing based on the connected project here. So I'm asked to develop influencer marketing strategy guide with templates, example, and best practices. So like I said, I want to write this. All I need to do is hit on generate content, and it's going to take us down to our content generator with the exact keywords and key phrases we need to work with, and we get that done. Before going ahead to create my content using my answer engine optimization content generator, I can also choose to come back to my optimization hub. This is something again we can do using the explorers. Coming back to topic gaps. Topic gaps definitely points out to subjects, topics you need to talk about to improve your visibility, right? So we wanted to create a content and influencer marketing. So I could come over to say explore topic. So I want to do some further research on this. I can just say extract topics. Okay, so we have extracted 27 topics, and 27 topics are inserted on visibility records to created. So once you scroll down, you could see live marketing workshops and all of that. You could see content marketing, social media, and you could scroll down, checking all of it. Any topic you want to work on, you could just pick content marketing strategy and it's going to give you an overview. You can also get to see the visibility on ChatGPT. You can also see the mentions. You can have 9 mentions on content marketing strategy. And if you leave it for some time, it's going to give you a trend analysis based on that content. You can also get to see related topics. You can see content marketing, live marketing workshops. You can view any of this content here. You can also get to see building a complete guide to content marketing strategies. So you can open this in content generator and it's going to build exactly what you see there. We have content marketing strategies. You can also create a video in this open in generator or resource. So let's say I want to create a guide on content marketing strategies. If I hit on open generator, content, it's going to pick the entire content there for me and say content marketing strategy, content type. I want to keep this as our how to guide. right? Now, again, I want to keep the tone here as authoritative because that's what AI is looking at for. AI wants to look at the expertise in your content, also want to look at the authority behind your content as well. So I want to keep the content medium, of course, content language. English. I also want to generate an FAQ for this because AI models really like FAQs. So I could come over to say generate content. So you see our content generated successfully. Right here we have our entire content generated for us. You could toggle, you could see this is answer engine optimized content. You could see your outline. You could also see your facts. You could see the schema already set up here. And of course, citations will also come up. You can copy this. You can download it as doc as well as as PDF, and you could have it listed on your site. Again, we also have the shopping visibility. Also, haven't seen the topic explorer on your shopping visibility. Same thing also applies if you run Shopify stores or you run an e-com store. You can also leverage on this tool right inside of RankBamboo. So switching over to my Fashion Nova project, I want to add a product. So come over here. I'm saying I'm adding the product's name rather. This is bucket hat. So just call this bucket hat. And this is a product URL. This is under $5, so let me just leave it as full. I can pick the categories, or I could just leave it and come over here, add products. Great. So at this point, we've added a product. Our system automatically refresh it. Once it refreshes it and get the product listed, you can then run a scan. It's going to do an in-depth scan on your entire product listings on the page. At this point, we have one product being tracked, so I can come over here on run scan. So it's going to check the entire store structure and see what more product we can fetch, and of course, what how AI can improve the visibility for us. This shopping can start successfully one product and 8 queries already done. So you could have 25% visibility. So once you scroll down, you get to see this particular product not listed, and you have a potential of having this listed. So you could check your shopping trend. All of these data are coming, so you can, of course, regenerate your trends and see the queries that comes with it. So you could see we have one product query there. So the system is still trying to gather some more details for us. So you can always scan, refresh to see your performance. You can also get to see your level analysis, a budget peak rather. You could see price focus position 7 products. You could see the recommendations. So continue tracking your product and receive personalized recommendations. So all of this, it's exactly how RankBamboo helps you to get your AI visibility on your store. Now, on RankBamboo, we have the old traditional SEO ranking that allows you, of course, to be visible to Google search engines, right? So over here, we have the SEO ranking features, which allows you to run your website optimization. You can also run your website audit right here on the page. So let's quickly switch back to my other project so you can get to see what we can do with our website optimization. Website optimization, always ensure that you have your website integrated. So on this project, you can see we have our website integrated. You could import your sitemap. You could also import from your GSC, that is your Google Search Console, and where you get your Google search engine connected. It's on the integration. So on the integrations, you can directly have your WordPress plugin installed. That once you have it installed, you can have all of these activities done. You can also download the plugin right here, and of course, you can get your Google Search Console connected. So once you get that connected, optimizing your website and of course other functionalities becomes a breeze. So you could just come over to website optimization right here. On website optimization, you could scan your entire URL page. So when you have a URL page, let's say, all right, we have HTTPS, what we have here is 10x, we already did that. So when you add your URL, you can, of course, always scan that. So you can see URL has been added. So you can see the entire crawl page done here. So what you now have here, we have one page which was already optimized. So we can look at pre-qualification. If we want to optimize this, you can come over here to say we want to optimize this. Now, to help you appreciate what we are doing here, I'm going to go to this page directly on my WordPress page, and you see what's happening here, and you see how powerful RankBamboo is. Right from already Bamboo here, I could go ahead to optimize this page. If you see, if you click on this drop down, you can hit on auto optimize because I have my Rank Bamboo plugin already connected to my WordPress website. That allows me automatic control to apply my fixes. I don't need to do any heavy lifting. Rank Bamboo does all of that for me. So you could see the exact page here I want to optimize. So all I need to do right from my RankBamboo dashboard, I could just hit on optimize. But to allow you to better appreciate what RankBamboo will be optimizing on this page, if I hit on optimize, I would want to come over to website audit so you see what and what is not really looking okay on our connected project website. So I'm switching over to website audit under SEO. So we want to run an website audit. You can see on website audit, if you've not done that already, you can just hit on new audit and you put your website. It's going to run the audit for you and you get to see all of the details you need. All right, great. So here we have the report again. You can see issues breakdown, missing meta description, low content ratio, missing image alt text. Of course, your website health, it's okay, 50%. So when you come over here, when you toggle on issues breakdown, when you click on missing meta description, so you could see one error here, missing meta description detected on this page. And of course, when you go back here, you could see low content ratio here and you can also get to see the image alt text error there. So that gives you an idea of what it's already happening. So when I come back to my website optimization on my listed pages here, so the listed pages here, all I need to do, I want to optimize this page. So I could come over to say auto optimize. So it says page has been optimized successfully, and that has already applied on my page as well. So when you come back here, you can also do the same to thank you page. I could have as much pages optimized and successful again. The thing here, because we've gotten most of the pages optimized, when you come back here to your website audit, based on our SEO ranking feature, if you've not audited before, you can still click on start audit. So you see our website health is now close to 80%. We've taken it from 50% to 80%. Now, if you come back here, some of the issues are taken out. Now, before we had no meta description that is taken out. So what we now have left here, it's content ratio. So we need to increase on our content, of course, image, missing alt text and all of that. So we can still go ahead, fix all of these, and you get to see that your entire overview of your website will be optimized to 100%, making your website fully optimized for search engines. Now, again, on RankBamboo, we do have the keyword research that allows you to see keywords performances across, and of course, you can also get to see your cost per click. So let's say content marketing strategies, what we created content for, right? On United States English, so I could hit on search. Let's get to see the performance of this key phrase. Right over here, we can also see the performance of this key phrase content marketing strategies. So we could see the cost per click over there. We could see the top 10 results on most of the effective contents created right there. So, of course, you can always click on their content and see the performance of the content, which can also allow you to create your own content around this. So, when you scroll down, you can see a breakdown of the analysis. You can see the difficulty level as well. So, this gives you an idea on what to play around your content and the search volume, how it goes monthly, what you likely need to create content for that will get your brand, your website out there to the public. Again, we have the keyword tracker over here as well. So with the keyword tracker, you can add several keywords or key phrases, which will allow you over time to see how it's performing on your website. And you can also use this to rank your website as well. Another keyword like plus size, and of course my target URL. I still want it to be within fashionover.com. So I want to target all devices, so I can hit on track. And our rank bamboo, it's going to get to work and pay attention to key phrase plus size, or whenever traffic hits my URL, it gets me to have an idea of what is bringing the huge collections of persons into my website. What's brand or what product type, what product specifics is bringing them to my web portal. So this is an idea you get from Key Tracker, which you can also, of course, view history, whatever performance you see here. You can come view the history. So you give this some time. Again, we have the performance over here. Performance, it's your ability to be able to see how much volume, to clicks, impressions you are having once you have your Google search console connected to your Rank Bamboo. So you get all of that. And of course, you can generate your answer engine optimizations report over here. You can toggle between executive summary, detailed analytics, or client reports style model and hit on generate. It's going to generate a report for you, and once it's generated, you can find all generated reports here that you can click to download. And of course, you can also see your detailed analytics templates used seen here. So you could use your executive summary of detailed analytics or your client dashboard that shows you the specific that comes with it. You can also do the same report on your SEO report. You could see your SEO report key performances, as well as pages performance, as well as your SEO overview. So that's how powerful Rank Bamboo is. So this is one tool you don't need to miss. You need to have it with you to get your answer engine optimization, and of course SEO services done for several businesses out there that are begging to get their businesses seen by AI models. Thank you.